Watch the video till end because I will tell you that run together project token is good or not. So before that we will check the current price chart of run together token, and you can see here the current price is $0.108. If I talk about 24-hour price chart, it is 13.25% down. And if I talk about the trading volume of run together token, trading volume is down with 16.66%. Now if you want to buy run together token, then some platform where there like Pancake Sub-V2 from where you can buy run together token. But investment totally depends upon you. For this token I will not suggest you to invest. Now I will not suggest you to invest? Because when you will check Stepen token, okay, and when you will check run together token, you will find 99.99% similarity. That's why I will not suggest you to invest in this cryptocurrency, or if you want to suggest, then it must be at your own risk. Next, one more thing, that when I checked the review of run together token from users, they are also saying the same thing, that everything has been copied from Stepen. So for now I will not suggest to invest in this. So this is my opinion for run together token. If you want to invest, then invest it at your own risk, because I am not a financial advisor.